Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And we're talking about phone conversations all month long in Hakka. And, sometimes you call someone is not there. You want to leave a message. You want to leave your name and you want to leave your number. So how do you do that? Okay, 有的时候打电话找人，真的找不到人嘛。所以呢，可能是别人接的，你可能要留一下你的
电话，
留名字，留电话。顺便呢，我们复习一下，很久以前有教过01234567889。So okay, here's the scenario. 我是他朋友林哲修，请他打给我。Okay, I called someone, he's not there. I'm telling that person to call me back.
我係假朋友。
我係假朋友，that means I'm his friend.
林哲修。
沒錯，林哲修 that's me. Please tell him to call me. 搶記
打本愛
OK， 請他打給我。愛是我嘛，搶記 that means 請他打本愛。So I'm also going to leave a number right now, OK？ 接下來就是要留我的電話號碼咯。我的電話號碼是093不能講停I can't tell you my telephone number on the air, but we're gonna go ahead and tell you how to count from 0 to 9, okay? 我來試試看。0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
Yeah!
I got it! There you go! That's 0 to 9 for you, okay? 那如果是另外一個 dialect， 那個海陸腔。
好，我講咯，
好，
聽好咯。
聽好了。
lang 日
日
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
後面其實還蠻像的啦。So there you have it. Those are the numbers. So now I want to tell that person, this is my number, my telephone number. 所以可能會跟對方說我的電話是，然後把數字講出來嘛，對不對？
我嘅電話號碼係
我嘅電話號碼係
就是我的電話號碼是
我的電話號碼是，然後就開始2 9 3
噠
就停了。There you have it. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家
按4 4張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.